Here is a problem involving tangents and quadrilateral. So we are going to solve this by doing just by applying simple properties of tangents and quadrilateral, which you probably already be knowing. So let's say let me first write down what we have been given. It's always a good idea to write down what you are given in a problem, and then also write down what you have been asked. So when you write this, the advantage is that then, even though in all this text and these pictures, the information what you've been given is put there, but when you write, then you have much more clarity, and that always helps you to solve a problem. So let me get started with what have been given here. So here we have y equal to 30 degrees. So which is angle ACB equals 30 degrees. What have been given is AC and BC are tangents. So from there what we know is these are the point of contacts. AB, B and BC are tangents with point of contacts A and B. So from the properties of tangents, these are 90 degrees. So let's put down those. So we have C, A, and let's put this center O. So CAO equals 90 degree, and we have CBO equals 90 degree too. What we have to find out is this angle X, which is A, and let's put D. So we have to find ADB. Okay. So now let's see, to solve this one, we know that if you take AB as an arc, so we know from the properties of arc, angle made at here is twice that of angle made at the circumference, which is an inscribed angle. So by properties of inscribed angle, the inscribed angle made by arc AB at the circumference is half of the angle made at the center. So this is, if this is x, then this becomes 2x. Okay. Now let's look at this quadrilateral. I'm putting in a different color. This quadrilateral. Here we know this angle, we know this angle, and we know this angle too. Now properties of quadrilateral, if you remember, is that the total angle, all the angles of quadrilateral are put together is 360 degree. So this is the way we denote a quadrilateral, or you can just write this. It's basically a shape with 4 sides. So which is ACBO. So this is our quadrilateral. All angles are 60 together is 360 degree. So we know this angle, 90 plus we know this 2x plus we know y. Now y we are given ACB. If you see y, we are given 30 equal 360. So from here you can find 2x equal to 360 minus 90 plus 90 is 180, 180 plus 30 is 210. So that is equal, 360 minus 210 is equal to 150. So x is equal to 75. So x is our here angle, that's equal to 75 degree. So let's just go over quickly what we have done. So here is a problem involving with tangents and quadrilateral. So what we have applied is the formula that tangents make 90 degrees at the point of contact, and then also other properties we have used quadrilateral. In a quadrilateral, all angles together are 360 degree. The total of all 4 angles are 360 degree. We also applied the formula of, or the theorem of inscribed angle, where an angle made at the center is twice that of the inscribed angle made at the circumference. So involving these 3 different theorems, we have been able to solve the problem. And that's a lot of the geometry problems are mostly about, is where you have to apply multiple multiple theorems or properties involving with different shapes to get to the solution.